Hi guys, this is Lucky. Today it's a surprising video for all of you people who are interested to make a little extra money by selling things on Etsy. This is the first video I'll be releasing with my experience of selling on Etsy. How did I open the store, how much I made, and what was the progress I seen, and how did I scale my store to make some 5,000 around some figure. Okay, it's not over the night thing I made it. I'll share you my journey, what my Etsy store went and why, how did I open, why did I open, what are the fun stuff I have learned. But this is very helpful people who are looking for any opportunity to be able to sell any items on their own. You don't need to go to anywhere. This is the one simple store anyone can open and try to sell at their comfort. You just need an account on the Etsy and a very small minute amount. Let's say if you want to list out any single item to sell it on the Etsy, right, you just need 20 cents to open that listing to be public. Okay, and they do have some transaction fee, but you don't need to worry. Let's say you are selling the item for $10, right? They do charge something like maybe $1.30 or something commission. They take it, and the remaining amount you will get into your pocket. It's nothing to lose here. And if it works out for you, you will make money constantly. You keep scaling your shop, you keep adding the items, you can choose whatever you wanted. But I'm telling you, Etsy store opening is very simple. Still it's working in 2024. It works, guys. And it's not only for physical products, right? Let's say when I say physical product means it's not only let's say you are making sweaters, let's say you are making candles, or let's say you are making some henna stuff, or maybe you are making mugs, or you are decorating some cups, or you have your own talent to do some crafting work, some art related, or maybe you are good at writing books, or anything you're capable of doing, you can sell it on Etsy. Etsy works really well if the item belongs to any particular, like a homemade stuff, anything art related stuff. But this was once upon a time story on the Etsy. But now people do sell digital items on the Etsy, and people are making six-figure incomes on the Etsy, guys. This was very long back story. I'll share the digital item story because it has physical items you can sell and digital items you can sell it on the Etsy. It's not only Etsy, there are many ways you can sell it, but why I have chosen Etsy is it's very simple to follow, and they already have provided traffic on the Etsy. You don't need to drive any traffic into this store. Okay, people already knows Etsy. Okay, it's already in demand. People know where to buy, what to buy on Etsy. People do a lot of searches on Etsy. If you can sell something which is very quality item, this is the right place. Based on the reviews, you can scale up the items, you can start selling anything you want, guys. I'll throw you some ideas what are the items, physical items you can sell right now on the Etsy. Okay, on this video I'll be showing my Etsy store, the Henna store. How did I open, how much I spent on the Etsy store, and how much I made. Okay, how much I made and how long it took. It was a time I just wanted to have some fun to open. I have no clue, nobody taught me to open this Etsy store. It came to me, then I just opened it to see. I didn't expect any money out of it, but I thought I wanted to try something. Okay, I just started selling henna cones. You don't believe, I just started henna cones, and it took me couple of months to get that perfect consistency of henna cone. But I'll show you my reviews also, how much I made out of just by selling henna cones. I had very good reviews on this, but unfortunately because of my work and other commitments in the life, I didn't pay much attention on this store, and purposefully I left this store not to run anymore because I have other priorities shifted in the life. So today I'll be sharing all the things on my store. Please stay tuned. If you like anything on this content, or if you want to know more about it, please let me know in your comments so that I'm happy to help you guys. Okay, stay tuned, and until then, bye bye. Yeah, now if you see my screen, right now I'm showing, now you see my screen, right? This is what my store is on the Etsy, and it is called Henna Cow, and this was my Etsy store. And if you look at my detailed stats, right, it was showing I made all-time revenue from 2012 to 2024 around like $5,116, and I made 362 orders. Okay, and you should see how many visits people visited my store, like 18k visits it made. And remember that I stopped this store selling around 2017 18 actually. Yeah, after 2018 I didn't touch much on this, so I left it. So yeah, that's why you are seeing that spike of 2017. It made a huge number of sales, and 2018 after that it's nothing happened because I left the store. I didn't pay any attention on this store. If you look at, like, what kind of listings I made, this listing, the organic homemade henna cones, itself made $2,577, which includes the shipping and also the amount I paid for the material cost, everything. It inclusive of this revenue I'm showing right now. But if you calculate the actual, right, that's a very minute amount I spent. If you look at this single listing, how much it made 154 orders, just the henna cones, and it made like on 2015 I started, 2016, 17, 18, it made 3 years. It's a good amount for anyone. In fact, like, if you really pay attention to it, I couldn't make much attention on this store. If you look at right now, right now I don't have any listings active on the store because I was not paying any attention. I tried to change this store to something else to sell it, but it didn't work out, like a digital, like a wall prints, right? But if you see the listings I'm showing on inactive, right? Yeah, these are the ones, the henna cones. It was like expired, right? Because it's not active anymore. So these are like, items I try to sell, like organic henna cones, like a body art quality henna powder, and some orange peel powder for the face, and some, like, rose like a rose powder, and indigo, and like, candles. This was only 2 candles I sold it, like only 2, because it was fun. I tried to have it done. You should see how ugly they are, but people made a sale just like that. Only 2 times I made. After that I didn't do anymore, but those candles really worked out. And if you look at the completed items, right, what was the transactions I have made, you see, like, I completed my last one around October 24, 2007, I think. What was it? Sorry, October 24, 2000. That was my last transaction I made on this store. So yeah, so these are the number of transactions, number of items I sold, in fact I should say that way. So you see, like, it has 1 to 8 pages, so I could complete all these orders within given time. So yeah, there is no surprise. And I think this is the store I could made of 362 orders very successfully at my home, staying home mom. And right now I don't have anything active. If you see, like, this is recent activity. Still I'm getting visits. Actually I got 37 visits for like last month, though I'm not selling, I didn't list out anything. Still people are visiting the store. Okay, so if you see this, right, this is the Etsy home store. Like, look at people, how many people are selling the henna cones. You should see the listings right now on the screen, right? It has just a listing of selling henna cone, guys. Okay, think about this. Okay, this is just one single item. If you could figure out what you wanted to sell, or any handcrafted item, it's not only handcrafted, any digital item or anything else, if you really wanted to pay a small attention and look for the things which will make you practically possible selling from your home. And please remember, nothing will be overnight success. I think lot of people has that perception that you have to get money immediately as soon as you started something. That's not going to happen at any time, guys. You should have some time leveraged for yourself and to make that system works for you, right? So if you see the last 30 days, still I'm getting the visits. Okay, there is nothing mentioned on my store, there is nothing active right now, but still people are visiting. That means I could grab their attention, or I could get their reliability, or that thing is working still. So I left it purposefully because I couldn't spend any time on the store maintenance, and I felt it's not worth of my time right now. That's why I left it. But this might help you guys for some people out there, or maybe you could start small and see something it's working for you, then you can scale it up. And I'll be sharing few items what you can sell it on the Etsy currently in 2024. I'll be sharing a small PDF, guys. Please try to download. It's free, nothing I'm selling here, it's free. If you really wanted to know what items you can start selling on Etsy, please try to download that PDF and let me know how it worked. If you have any questions, maybe I'll try to make some other video on Etsy selling. But I'll be uploading few more videos like what you can sell it for Etsy, right? Like as I said, digital items. Now the era is all about 2024 digital items, and you can also try to sell that. I mean, you can also experiment that, right? Like, you know, it's nothing you are losing here, okay? It's only few of hours of your time, okay? It's not even like whole day, just few hours in your life. If you want to make a change, you should start looking for change. Nothing will come to you as is. If you really wanted to work on it, please start something in 2024 at least, so that you will make a impact for your life or for your loved ones. So why I started this Etsy is like, it was a fun for me, you know, like a couple of years back. I just started doing henna. It was only fun, nothing intentional to make any money, because it's like, you know, I wanted to experiment new things what I see around. This was an art. I really loved the art from the childhood, so I learned the henna, okay? I don't know how to draw the henna before even I tried to do all these things. I learned it for 2 to 3 months, then I started doing it on myself, even for others for free, okay? I never charged in the beginning. I was spending a lot of time to make that art done, okay? Then I could figure out a way to make money out of that art, and it's not completely 100% dedication I have done to make this work. Maybe I would have made much more money in fact on this, but I didn't pay much attention, guys. So hopefully this might work for you guys, and I'm happy if I make any small impact on your lives by sharing my experiences. And thanks for watching, and please do support me, guys, and just stay tuned for more update, guys. That's all I can say. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.